Our hypothesis is that ants will be more inclined to eat fruits compared to other foods like vegetables. The ants would not like to eat the fruit because the fruit contains more components containing natural sugar and water. This would be preferred furthermore because the fruits are most commonly known to be eaten as by ants in their natural ecosystems. This experiment will compare the eating habitats of any ants in a habitat. We use 4 variables to test the ants' preference of food. We use carrots, strawberries, celery, and banana. These are 4 important variables. Another important factor relating to the experiment was the steady to drop of ants alive in the habitat. By using this data, we will set the analysis in eating patterns of any ants in an artificial habitat. Army ants are carnivorous. They hunt and kill. Red ants eat worms, spiders, and lizards. Leaf-cutting ants are herbivores. They feed off fungus, leaves, and flowers. Fire ants eat worms, ticks, and spiders. All ants are omnivorous if they had no food. This was our chart, the weight of food after it was taken out.
The materials
Test 1 had
of our
garlic, we had
experiment
5,000
are
in
made
there,
up of an ant farm,
and it turned out
2
to be
cases of red
1,250.
ants, artificial
Test 2 had
sand,
strawberry,
a
it had
milligram measure,
4,000,
carrots,
and
celery,
it went all the way
banana,
down
and
to
strawberries.
2,800. Test 3 of celery, we started off with 3,000 and it went all the way down to 1,800. Test 4 was bananas. We started off with 5,000 and it went all the way down to 4,000. This is our data chart. This is where we have all our information. We started off with 20 ants alive. First test, we had garlic in there, and there happened to be 20 ants after, and there was 75% of food eaten. The second test was strawberries. 37% of it was eaten. 15 ants were alive. Third test, 40% of celery was eaten. There was 12 ants actually at the end. Fourth test was bananas. 20% to 8 ants. This was just a photo of us weighing our portions of food. Thank You by Joseph Ramirez and Miles Mason.
The results of our data concluded that our hypothesis is incorrect. Our data showed that the ants greatly preferred the carrots the most. We concluded that the carrots hold the most nutritious materials for fire ants. The second highest amount of consumption was the celery against the strawberries and bananas. This showed that ants favored the carrots and celery largely more than the strawberries and bananas because of their nutritious value and the materials they contained. This reflects the eating habits of ants in their natural environment.